In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your Google Workspace email in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Google Workspace or need a quick refresher on accessing your corporate or educational email account, you've come to the right place. First things first, let's get you signed into your Google account. Now, you'll want to head over to the sign-in page for Google accounts. If you're familiar with Google services, this page might look familiar. It's your gateway to accessing not just your emails, but all Google services. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your accounts if you've signed into Google on your device before. Simply click on the account you wish to use for accessing your Google Workspace email. It's important to choose the right one, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After selecting your account, it's time to enter your password. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and securing access to your account. Make sure you enter it correctly. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a process to recover your account which Google will guide you through. Now, after you've input your password, click on the next button. This confirms the credentials and takes you closer to accessing your inbox. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Workspace homepage. Here's where it gets exciting. Look towards the top right corner of the page, and you'll see the familiar square dots icon, often known as the Google Apps icon. Give that a click to view all the Google services available to you. Among these icons, you'll find Gmail. This is what you've been looking for. Clicking on the Gmail icon will take you directly to your Google Workspace email inbox. And voila, just like that, you're exactly where you need to be to check, read, and send emails. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips to enhance your experience. Remember, your Google Workspace email is more than just an inbox. It's a powerful tool for collaboration and productivity. Take some time to explore additional features like Google Meet for video calls, Calendar for scheduling, and Drive for document storage. And there you have it, straightforward steps to access your Google Workspace email. Whether you're doing this for the first time or just needed a quick reminder, I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to take advantage of the full suite of tools available to you through Google Workspace to maximize your productivity and streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.